What? Go, 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 go. Okay. The train has no power. Okay, I know. Dude, Henry got a vase. Wow. Good. I'm a ghost now because they killed me. Oh, come on, get this out of here. It's kind of laggy. Okay, finally stop. BAM! Haha. Ah! I got it, yeah! I killed the grandpa and the granny. The granny show. I make fun of them every day. Nothing. There's nothing in there. And there's nothing there. So I need something power. I just keep shooting it because I can't stop. Stop it. Never, I will never stop. Okay. Oh no, not the matches. Not the match. I hate match. Bro. Thundrina, you're gonna get dead now. Because I can't kill her because she's a ghost. Look, I found this. Finally, I'm gonna escape from the train. From Granny and Grandpa and Granny 3. Wait, oh, wrong side. I just literally killed that thing because he will keep not doing that. Things that are so annoying. Ugh, so annoying robot thing. Tell it to be quiet. Oh my God, you see that? Somebody always look at me behind me. I'm gonna look behind there. Okay, cool. I'm gonna bring my shotgun with me. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Good! Now it has powers. Okay. Now I'm gonna close the doors! Oh, close the doors. Close it. There you go. Now they will never know. Alright! Let's go. Whoa. Okay, go. Wait, I didn't open. Whoa! Whoa! I actually killed that thing. Now 3 of them are gonna take revenge on them. And Thundrina has a mom and Granny 4. The end. Cool.